The purpose of this video is to show you how to run a video from the Windows Media Center. So the first thing that you need to do is copy your video to a shared directory, then you open Media Center, then you go to My Videos, and then you run the video. And then of course you have the challenges of making sure that you have the sound connected correctly, which we will go through. But what I want to do is go through the key steps of getting that video into the shared directory and opening up Media Center and start that first. So looking at our screen, what I've done is I've already connected my USB device or my flash drive or whatever you want to call it. I've opened it up and I have a directory here called 00 video for presentation. So here's the video that I want to play on the system, and it is definitely better to run it from the hard drive to copy it over rather than to run it from your USB device. So in order to copy that into the shared directory, you have to find it. So if you right click on the start button and choose Explore, up will come another Explore window. And here, in order to find it easily, click on My Computer, and you'll see down here it says Shared Documents. Double click on Shared Documents, go to Shared Video, and this is where we will copy the file that I have over here, which is the Amazing Grace video, which you've all seen. So I'll just drag that over and drop it into here. It's copying the video over. I'll just close my window. And now I have the video on the computer where I want to have it so that Windows Media Center can find it. Now the next thing that you want to do is start up Windows Media Center, and there's a couple ways to do that. But first of all, what you can do is just down on the toolbar down here. Down on the toolbar down here, you'll see the Windows Media Center icon. It's a little green icon. You click on that, and you'll notice what happens. I'm going to bring us out a little bit here so you can see the other screen as well. You'll notice what happens is Windows Media Center opens up over on this window. So you just click this, this messenger failure, which is something we always have, but it's not an issue for us. Windows Media Center is by default opening up on the data projector or on this screen that we have set up that mirrors what's on the data projector. If you wanted to have it over on the other one, on your desktop, you can drop it over here and you can play it on your own, on the main monitor, but it's not being seen by the others in the congregation. So if for some reason you come in and you start up Windows Media Center and it's sitting here, just click on the title bar, drag it over, and then you want to maximize it. So you click on Maximize. Oh, I'm just going to bring us in a little bit here. There we go, so we can all see. Now, you have a lot of options in here of what Windows Media Center will play, but you want to go to My Videos. And then you want the video that you're looking for is called Amazing Grace, which is right here. And when I click on this video, the video will now begin to play, and it plays here as well as up on the screen. So the next thing that I want to talk about is making sure that you have some sound. I'm going to bring us back out again. So you can see in between the two monitors is a speaker. Right now you don't hear any sound, and that's for a couple of reasons. One is right now it's connected to the board. So the first thing that I like to do to make sure that my sound is working on my video when I do a test is to look at the speaker, and I see right away that it's not turned on. When I click the button on the right, it turns on the speaker. And of course, if I don't hear it, then I would adjust the volume, which is on the left. So now I know that I have audio. I know that I have audio on the speaker. So now what I want to do is try to get that audio to come out through the main system. So of course, somebody else is usually running the main system and they have it all set up for you. But for you to help them out, this is the little cable that plugs into here, and now anything coming out of this speaker will be fed to the main board. So the interesting thing is, I'm going to wheel you around so you can see the main board as well. two channels that this is related to are the last two channels here. Of course, they have to have the board turned on and everything set up, but these are the last two things. And you can see these little signal lights are going off, which are telling us that there is a signal that's coming into there. And so if I was to turn those on and boost up the volume, I now have it coming through the main speakers. So I'm going to mute that and put it back down again. So that's the main things you need to take care of to make sure that you have the audio working for your video.